So, do you need a screen protector for your Pixel 10 Pro XL? I've got you covered. Let's check it out. What's up guys, welcome back to Michael's Tech Talk. So here we are, I have picked up the Spigen EZ Fit screen protectors for the Pixel 10 Pro XL. You want to keep that screen protected, Spigen have you covered. So let's check it out. So I have put down my black mat just so that I've noticed when I've been doing my other screen protector videos, when I'm showing off the screen protector and it's kind of hard to see against the white pad. So I put a black pad down here today so that you can sort of try and see it well. So fingers crossed it works out okay. Right, let's just get these opened up. So this is a 2-pack, not the wrapper. And if you're familiar with Spigen screen protectors, you'll be very familiar with what you get here. So we have a little kit here, which comes with a wet cleaning wipe. We get a little microfiber cloth. We get dust removal stickers. We get 2 of them. So we get a big sticker here and a couple of little smaller ones. We get 2 of them. We get 2 cleaning wipes, microfiber cloth, and 2 screen protectors. And of course then we also get 2 sets of instructions, and we get our little tool for rubbing out bubbles as well, which has like a microfiber coating on the end of it, which is pretty nice. And there you go, so there is our instructions, pretty straightforward. One thing I will say is that I've noticed these don't have the new anti-dust film on them, which you just sort of pull out and it removes all the dust for you. So these are still, I believe, Pixel 9 Pro XL screen protectors, which is kind of understandable because there's not much of a difference between the 9 Pro XL and the 10 Pro XL, so I suppose it is, but I would have liked maybe a little update there, Spigen. Listen, we're well versed in doing this now. So as you can see, I haven't touched my phone. It's got fingerprints and all sorts on it, so what we'll actually do, we will just turn this off, shutting down, just so we can get a proper look at the air bubbles and all that sort of stuff. So just take your little wet wipe, and this will clean off any sort of oily fingerprints and all that kind of thing. That'll just clean that all off, which does a good job. And then once you've done that, take your little microfiber cloth, pop it on, and just dry off that screen. Just make sure there's no moisture left on the screen, because if there is a little bit of moisture there, it'll create a bubble, and you don't want a bubble. There, lovely, squeaky clean. So what you want to do then is take your dust removal stickers. So in between you cleaning it with your microfiber, there'll be little bits of fibers or a bit of dust or something that'll land on that display. So you just want to take your dust removal sticker and just dab it, just to get all those little bits just that have landed on your screen, just to get them off, and get your screen protector ready. So when you take your screen protector, it will give you an indication here. So this is the top part, so this goes towards the top of the phone, and that's fine. So we just peel that off like so. Just a little dab dab dab, and then just pop that on like so. So it just says press and slide here and wait for 30 seconds, and then we just peel this off like so and lift. And then what you do is you just peel this bit of film off like so, and you'll see here we've got 2 big air bubbles, and that is it. So what we'll do is just take our little tool and we'll just rub them out like so. And that is it. And there you go. Lovely. Flawless. No air bubbles. No, perfectly aligned. You can see there it's perfectly aligned with the phone, which is great. Obviously there's no black borders on these, they're completely clear, which means you're not going to have any border cutting into your phone display, which is really good. So as you can see there, even just shining off my lights, there's a lot of glare on this. So these aren't anti-glare, they're not anti-reflective, which, yeah, again, like I said, it's kind of disappointing. I'd like to have seen maybe a little bit of an update on these. you know, but yeah, it is what it is. So it is always good practice as well. It does say re-register your fingerprint, so I haven't done that yet, but we'll just try it and see. Oh, well, that's pretty good actually, but we'll do it again anyway. So we'll just do this again. Yeah, so we'll just lock. Yeah, look at that, perfect. No issues there. Pretty good. Pretty good. So that's the installation covered. That is our fingerprints tested, and our screen lip and our visibility is all pretty good. So let's scratch test it. I've got my trusty little unboxing knife here. So we'll just... Yeah, that's... Yeah, no scratches there at all showing up, so that's pretty good. It's holding up well to scratches. And even fingerprints, yeah, it's holding up pretty well. The coating on that screen protector is actually not too bad if you can sort of see them. I'm trying to shine it so that you can sort of see, but yeah, it's holding up well to fingerprints, which is pretty good. Yeah, so it's scratch tested well there. That's pretty good. So yeah, I think we should do a shatter test now. We'll just take this off. We'll hit this. We'll give this 3 smacks against the table, and we'll see how it fares. So, fingers crossed. 1, 2, 3. Couple of little impact marks there, where I've hit it, but they just rub right off. No cracks, no splits, nothing. So that's pretty good. So yeah, I would highly recommend picking up the set of Spigen screen protectors for this phone. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. If you have any questions about these, let me know in the comments down below. Hopefully I've covered enough in this video. If there is anything else you want to see, let me know in the comments down below. As always, I'll leave you an affiliate link where you can pick these up. Affiliate links help support the channel, but they don't cost you guys any more money. So if you do pick up using any of my links, thanks for your support. Much appreciated. And that about wraps up for this video. I hope you liked it. If you did, smash that like button for me. And don't forget to click that subscribe and ring that little bell to be notified of new videos just like this one. Keep it locked to the channel. I have a lot more down-to-earth tech review and accessories coming for you, so stay tuned. And if you want to see some more Pixel 10 Pro XL content, you can check it out right here.